In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the dreaded Zoom meeting password incorrect error. If you've ever been locked out of a Zoom meeting because you keep getting an error message that says your password is incorrect, don't worry, you're not alone. Many users face this issue, and thankfully it can be resolved with just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoom website. You can do this by typing zoom.us into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, locate the sign in or sign up option depending on whether you already have an account or not. Now, if you're creating a new account, Zoom requires you to verify your age. So what you'll do next is type in your birth year in the designated field. This step is crucial because Zoom needs to ensure that you're of the required age to use their platform. After entering your birth year, look for the Continue button and give it a good click. For those of you who are signing up, the next step is to enter your email address. Make sure you input a valid email address, as this is where Zoom will send important information such as confirmation links and meeting details. After putting in your email, once again, click on the Continue button to proceed. Now for existing users, or if you've forgotten your password, the next move would be to navigate to the login page. Once there, look for the Forgot Password link. This link is typically located below the login fields. By clicking on it, Zoom will guide you through the process of resetting your password. They'll send a reset link to your registered email, where you can follow the instructions to set up a new password. Sometimes the issue may originate from a mix-up in the meeting link or code, or perhaps you've been using an outdated Zoom app. In that case, double-check the invitation link and meeting credentials sent to you. Ensure you're using the most recent version of the Zoom application by visiting their downloads page and installing any updates if necessary. It's beneficial to regularly update your Zoom client, as updates often come with bug fixes and improvements that help prevent issues like password errors. By keeping your app up to date, you minimize the risk of experiencing these inconvenient hiccups. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to help you fix the Zoom meeting password incorrect error. Remember, if you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to resolve the issue and join your meetings without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Zoom effortlessly. Do subscribe for more how-to videos and tech tips. See you in the next one.